Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 17th of January. And first of all, national news. Rajya Sabha session from January 31 to April 6. No demonstration of remote EVMs before political parties after opposition seeks more discussion. Supreme Court to hear plea of Google against NCLAT order on January 18. Supreme Court refused to entertain plea seeking its intervention to declare crisis in Uttarakhand's Joshi Math a national disaster. Agnipath game changer will make the forces more youthful and tech-savvy, PM Modi said. Karnataka Assembly elections 2023. Congress promised 2,000 per month to each household if elected to power. India-France joint naval exercise Varuna started. Goa witnessing steady growth in tourist arrivals after COVID-19 pandemic, Governor Pillai. To infuse transparency, Centre wanted seat in judges' appointments body. Luxury cruise was not stuck. Tourists took boats for sightseeing operator. Now some international news. 3 more suspects arrested over Imran Khan's assassination attempt. Nuclear watchdog to increase its presence in Ukraine to prevent accident. Russia said UK tanks sent to Ukraine will burn. 3 popes on trial for negligence in Indonesia's stadium stampede. Russia-Belarus begin air drills spark fear of new attack in Ukraine. 6.0 magnitude earthquake hit off the coast of Indonesia. No survivors found after Nepal plane crashed with 72, 5 of them Indians. Crashed planes, black box handed over to Nepal aviation authorities. Man arrested after uranium found at London's Heathrow airport. And now some sports news. Stefanos Tsitsipas showed fighting spirit at Australian Open. Rafael Nadal won, but Nick Kyrgios suffered Australian Open heartbreak. Humbled and grateful, Rishabh Pant's first social media post after car crash. IPL 2023, Punjab Kings rope in Sunil Joshi as spin bowling coach. Viacom 18 bags women's IPL media rights for 951 crore for 2023 to 27. Now some business related news. Nifty Sensex rose in early trade on firm global trend. Rupee declined 21 paise to close at 81.59 against US dollar. Pact will help boost trade between India, Israel Asia Chamber of Commerce. Worldwide recession likely in 2023, Davos Summit survey. Centre exempted imports of COVID vaccines from customs duty till March 31. December exports fallen 12.2% to $34.48 billion. Global jobs growth to halve in 2023. Inflation to eat into real wages, UN body. No data available on faulty Fastex's collection of penalties, Highways Authority. News from Science and Technology. Unlocking the secrets of the universe, researchers use high-powered lasers to study magnetic reconnection. New study suggested dark matter may be made of dark photons. And that's all in news. Thank you.